Hi home shoppers, Greg Luchak with Coldwell Banker bringing you an exciting new home video walkthrough. Today this is a townhouse video walkthrough. We're in the heart of North Colorado Springs, just off the North Academy corridor here in a beautiful complex called Pine Hill at Erindale. This is a stunning townhouse with 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a huge 2-car garage. This is 1846 Brookdale Drive. If you've been looking for a townhouse that actually lives like a home, with generous square footage and updated with quality finishes in an unbeatable location, this one definitely deserves your attention. The Pine Hill at Erindale complex is well maintained and tucked quietly away from all the noise, while offering easy access to University Village, UCCS, and all of the great restaurants and shopping available along North Academy. The stucco exterior gives that traditional Colorado look, and out front you've got an oversized private patio space with lots of room for gardening and outdoor living. It's actually rare to find a townhouse with this much outdoor living space, and it's all zero maintenance. Before we head inside, let's talk about the garage. This is a truly oversized 2-car garage with a built-in workbench and plenty of room for storage, tools, bikes, whatever you need. Now, stepping inside the home, you're immediately welcomed by durable, waterproof laminate wood flooring throughout the majority of the main level, soaring vaulted ceilings, and an incredible skylight that floods the space with natural light. The living room is spacious and centered around a beautiful stone-clad, wood-burning fireplace. The living room is really big, and this floor plan is really open. Just beyond that is a huge dining area with a direct access to the outdoor patio through a Renewal by Andersen sliding glass door. Renewal by Andersen windows have been installed throughout the home, which is a major upgrade. It helps with energy efficiency and keeps the entire house whisper quiet. The kitchen has been completely remodeled and it shows beautifully. You've got updated cabinetry and hardware, granite countertops, sharp black appliances, new lighting, and a separate and spacious kitchen pantry. You've even got this extended granite sitting space that works well for entertaining. Also on the main level is a convenient half bathroom combined with a spacious laundry area. Even this space has been updated with a new vanity and granite countertops. Heading upstairs, that large skylight continues to bring in awesome natural light. This level features 2 bedrooms, including a fantastic primary suite that easily accommodates a bedroom set, and as you can see, even a desk if you want to work from home. The double door entry gives this suite an elevated feel, and the walk-in closet is massive. The attached primary bathroom has also been beautifully updated. Notice granite countertops and an oversized walk-in shower featuring sleek, rimless glass doors. The secondary bedroom upstairs is also generously sized and offers gorgeous views overlooking North Colorado Springs. You'll also find another beautiful full bathroom upstairs along with a charming little loft area that would work great as a reading nook. Now heading downstairs to the fully finished lower level, this space adds tremendous flexibility to the property. You've got a large additional bedroom, a full bathroom, and a secondary living area that could function great as a media room, guest retreat, or home gym. With over 2,000 square feet, extensive updates, and a great floor plan, this is a fantastic home. Thank you so much for coming on this fantastic townhouse video tour. For more information on this beautiful property, please visit our website at www.makespringshome.com. Or if you'd like a private tour, of course, I'd love to give it to you. Call me directly at 719-271-8888. And a reminder that the sellers are offering a 2.5% brokerage compensation to any realtor who brings us a buyer. So bring us a buyer. See you next one.